Hey Google, activate fan. Hey Google, activate turn off fan.
Imagine automating your projects like this, effortless and wireless, with only using Google Assistant, Raspberry Pi 5, IFTTT and Adafruit. Firstly, update and upgrade the Raspberry Pi. Then install the Adafruit libraries. Log in or create an Adafruit account. Then create a feed to be controlled and name it based on your preference. Create a new dashboard and give it a name. Proceed to add a new block. Select the toggle button and assign to feed. Button acts as virtual switch. Download the Google Home app and launch it. Under the Settings menu tap. On Works with Google, search for IFTTT and link it. Log in or sign up for an IFTTT account. Under the If This section, search for Google Assistant and label the scene name. In the Then That section, search Adafruit and assign it to the feed name. Set the data to save as on for the turning on. Process and repeat the same for the off data. Upload the code and fill in the credentials. As the final result, let's test and see the system in action.